Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Igyo.
Please, no! No! No!
Igyo.
Paano Igyo?
Ano ba yun?
Papakit!
Oh my God! Wow!
Nasa van kasi ako, tapos may ano sa labas. May naghawak ng mga mata. Tapos may picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang.
Sa lahat mo lang napadaan, hello po, kami po ang Beanie. Hello to everyone who's watching, we're Beanie. And sobrang namin kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito. And we are delighted to have you here. Just choose A or B. Alright? Or C, Regine Velasquez. A or B, or C, Regine Velasquez.
And show your coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe.
Show your coffee. Di mo, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe.
Show your coffee.
Di, huwag na. Ang laki ng coffee na nabili ko.
Bebe. Guys, yung coffee na nabili.
Nagbigay siya ng sobrang daming mangga kagabi.
Yes.
Ay,
kagabi na nasa bebe.
Credits to Ate Aya. Sa kanya pala
Nakita ko na nasa van kasi ako, tapos may ano sa labas. May naghawak ng mga mata. Tapos may picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang.
Means isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw. Isaw is the intestine of chicken. Of Joanna. This is her intestine. No, I'm just kidding.
This is barbecue.
Yeah.
Beanie. Ano? Beanie. One, two, three. Like number one. 1, 2, 3. Igyo. Pakit lang. Finger heart.
How are you?
How are you coping with your impact? I know na pala.
With your wisdom tooth removal?
Malapit na.
Ilang
Almost
days ka?
recovered.
Ilang days ka ngayon? From nung binunutan mo?
Ayun, week today.
Tuesday.
One kaya din, no? Kasi, pero kailan ka maggagalaw na pwede? Kasi si Tito Boy kasi to eh.
Ano na ako gumalaw, pero hindi ko kaya yung umiti ng gano'n. Tapos,
Full out.
hindi ko pa kaya. May tahi pa yung left.
Sige nga, smile ka nga.
Wala na yung right. Wala nang
Wala lang
tayo.
tahi sa right. Pero
Ang
yung
bilis.
left, meron pa.
Pero wala nang bubuka dyan. Pag gumalaw ka, wala namang bubuka, walang ganun. Di ba may case ganun na before, parang gumalaw tapos bumuka doon?
Oo.
Pag yung masyadong
sobra.
Pag di pa magaling.
It's all clap for Mika. Woo! She rehearsed today at what time? Early in the morning.
9 a.m.?
Magka-training na siya mamaya?
Hindi, hindi pwede. Pero,
Pwede
bablocking
mo
siya.
training.
Pero hindi ka pwedeng...
Hindi naman ako full out.
Just stand.
Yeah, blocking.
Okay, how about you?
Hindi ako makapagsalita.
Guys, si ate ko yung papaus na.
Kaya, ganito lang energy ko. Bawal akong tumawa ng malakas. Pinipigilan ko
Sobrang positive na tao.
It's fine.
Pinipigilan ko. Hindi ako pwede mapaos.
Yeah, you can't.
You can't.
How about you?
Ako pili ko magkakasipon ako.
So,
kailangan ko na uminom ng... Yan. Yun. Ano, kasi ilang beses na ako nagkasakit last year and this year. Kaya ako yung nagre-reseta sa kanila. Ano kami pharmacist dito?
Siya yung nag-ready.
Ikaw. How are you? Ang dami. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Yun lang. I'm fine.
But you're with your friends.
Yeah, gabi-gabi na ako.
Your legs.
Ay guys, alam nyo ba recently?
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
Fun
Balik ka dyan. Fun fact. Ano, parang yung sa training kasi sobrang intense ng rehearsals namin. May mga
Intense, guys.
flooring, ganyan. Yung right leg ko, dahil tumigas. Tumigas siya, hindi ko siya magalaw. Tapos, hindi rin ako makalakad ng maayos. Literal na yung left leg ko na lang yung nagbubuhat sa buong katawan ko. Kaya, ayun. Yeah, but I'm okay now. Thank you, Coach Iya. Ikaw naman, Jo.
Ako, I'm happy. And, wala, feeling ko na ang productive ng days natin recently. Yun.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Basta I'm full. Lagi akong busog yun.
Di ba nag-gym ka?
Ha?
Gym ka?
First and last naman.
Yung nanay ko kasi, pero syempre nakaka-guilty hindi kainin yung mga luto. Di wala din. Double-double
Sinisimo pa yung
lang
nanay.
kain ko.
Tita Jonah,
Yeah,
it's your fault.
it's your fault. Ikaw naman. Ikaw naman, ate Ay.
Ikaw naman, Ate Aya. Thank you pala sa mangga, Ate Aya. Nagbigay siya ng sobrang daming mangga kagabi.
Yes.
Ay,
Aya.
hanggang kagabi na nasa bibig.
Credits to Ate Aya. Sa kanya pala yung
Nakita ko nasa van kasi ako tapos may ano sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga mangga.
Ah,
Tapos may picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang. Binili ko lahat.
Pero sarap, matumi siya.
How are you lately?
Me, I not work, condo, gym. That's it.
Wow!
Walang iba.
Ganun dapat natin, John. Consistent.
Consistent.
Hindi yung first and last.
Work on the...
Kain.
Work on... Binabulong lang.
Yung gym pabulong lang.
Work on the...
beses niya lang ginawa.
Ay, first and last na. Work on the... Ikaw, Bebe, how are you and your isaw?
And your...
And your impacted tooth?
I know, no.
I'm good. Ano oras ka nagising para mag-blower?
8 a.m.
She, what are you eating, these past few days?
Ay, wow, be proud, be proud. Oh.
I have no choice but to eat gulay.
Wow!
Achievement!
But I don't want nuggets. Basta, I'm eating na guys, I'm eating gulay na. My favorite gulay is lettuce.
Kanina ko siya.
It's an achievement.
Di ba ang laki na in-order yung salad? Lahat natira yung gulay, tapos naubos yung karning. Naubos yung steak na kasama yung gulay natin.
Whatever.
Ay, ka, Bebe.
Ikaw naman, Gwen.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Right, okay na yun. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for today. That's it.
Hanggang 12 ako today. Hanggang 500 words lang siguro sa isang araw.
I
No,
feel
More... Stronger.
Stronger.
By Coach Mickey. Stronger. Kasi productive nga kami. Dami nang ginagawa. So parang nagain ko ulit yung strength like before, you know, you get me.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Well, happy birthday kay Tita Malu. Happy 60th
Yes!
birthday. 60, diba? Si Tita Malu.
Ay, alam 16th yun. Sobrang bata. Baddie.
Yari. When something is cute, parang you want to squeeze it down, you know?
You want
sobrang cute, oh.
cute. Let's
Kanta tayo.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy first
Happy birthday. This is our birthday.
First day.
First day.
First day na men's?
5, 6, 7. Happy birthday, Weavers!
Go, wait, Ate Jo. Let's all blow it. Happy first day, Beanie.
Kaya nga.
Happy birthday
ng Weavers.
Ay, isa pa.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Beanie on
Weavers.
Happy birthday, Big
5,
Haba.
6,
Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers. Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers.
It is a fact that Mika has her 4 wisdom tooth extracted.
Impacted, and distracted.
And manipulated.
Guys, this is
Big
sushi.
Okay, so guys, isaw means you're beautiful. Isaw. And the spelling of isaw is I-S-A-W. So it means Isaw means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw. That's it off. Chicken. Of Joanna. No, I'm just kidding.
And show your coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe.
Show your coffee.
Laki ng coffee na nabili ko.
Bebe.
Masarap.
Sa kanya pala
Nakita ko na sa van kasi ako may sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga tapos may picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang.
Sa lahat po ng napadaan, hello po, kami po ang Beanie.
Hello to everyone who's watching. We're Beanie.
And sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And we are delighted to have you here. Just choose A or B.
Or si Regine Velasquez.
Pagkatapos po ng aming kaganapang ito, ay puspusan na po ulit ang aming pag-eensayo.
After our live stream today, after this, we're gonna continue our rigorous training.
Your comment like your flag.
Yes, comment your flags!
So we can see and know.
And be honest.
Ako, yung Blooms magko-comment yan ng ano.
Blooms, pag di ka Pinas ka, Philippine flag.
Yes.
Or
Please,
else, you're
Blooms,
not
don't loko-loko us. Totoo ba yan?
Ang dami! Ano po?
Switzerland.
May K po ba nakalagay? May K?
New
Oo nga.
Zealand.
Twice fan. Once. I'm a once.
And I'm a blink.
And Bebe is? Person. She's a
She's a
human.
person. She's a Filipino. Ang cancer, di ba?
Citizen.
Mabuhay!
What is Beanie?
Beanie stands is for a girl group. Anak. Date?
First day. First day. Naman.
Wait, make a wish.
Face muna. Four wisdom teeth are extracted,
And distracted.
and manipulated. After that, she went home and she cried. And then the next day was the...
I don't know, what do you feel about it?
And I feel nauseous about it.
Nauseous? For the one who's not.
Nauseous and conscious. And conscious.
And cautious. My Confucius.
And I feel like that's the beauty of being a member girl group. We have one that's important. Oh, I'm also with Papa. But only me too. I'm na-survive. Me too.
Both of them
The eldest.
doesn't have wisdom. Okay, so guys, Isaw means you're beautiful. And the spelling of Isaw is I-S-A-W, so it means Isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw. Isaw is... What's this? How do you explain this? What's
Anything you like.
Tenga po ba?
Versatile.
with sauce? No, it's cute. Bango, ah.
Meron din tayong
Tapos, we have brownies
And show your coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe.
Show your coffee.
Hindi, huwag na. Ang laki ng coffee na nabili ko.
Bebe. Guys, yung coffee. Sa comments, basa mo ba?
We have Korean comments.
Wow! Ay, mga blooms lang yan. Mga blooms lang yan eh.
Dati ayaw nakasubscribe guys sa Weavers. Kailinin ko.
If you want seaweeds.
She can't. You need to blend it. Nguyain mo muna.
Today, how's life lately? Oh, start with Mika. How's life?
Type mo na lang kung...
Type mo na lang.
Malapit na.
Ilang days ka?
Ilang days ka ngayon? From nung binunutan mo?
Ayun, like today.
Tuesday.
One kaya din, no? Kasi, pero kailan ka maggagalaw na pwede?
Kasi si Tito Boy kasi to eh.
Ano na ako gumalaw, pero...
Thank you pala sa Manggate Aya. Nagbigay siya ng sobrang daming mangga kagabi.
Dito ako nasa van kasi ako may sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga mangga. Tapos may picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang.
Kanina ko siya.
It's an achievement.
Di ba laki na in-order yung salad? Lahat natira yung gulay, tapos naubos yung karning. Ay ka, bebe.
Gwen.
I'm okay.
Okay. Guys, bye-bye. Thank you so much for today.
I feel more stronger.
Basta merong cake noon si Mix, tapos mataas siya, like 3 layer ata.
Volleyball player pa yun.
Tapos merong mukha ni Mix na volleyball player, pero kamukha niya Ate Jo. Tinitipid namin yung cake ni Mix for
1 month.
1 month.
Yung ref kasi sa PBB, di ba, 2 door? Yung gagawin namin pag break, bubuksan namin lahat ng mga
Ay,
Tinas ko if nakakain siya.
Ay, hanep.
Get well soon daw, Bini Mika. Thank you daw po.
Sarap yung cake.
It's like your first love, first kilig, or first time to experience kilig.
First crush. Di ba English mo na first?
Yeah, first crush.
Ay! May sabihin.
What are you doing with?
Dako, nalasa nito.
Okay, next. Mahal kita.
32 na.
100!
Oh! Hello!
That's 32. 30,000?
Oo nga! Sa lahat mo lang napadaan na maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood sa aming Bini. We're just a new group. Wait lang, ang haba. Wait, ano naman? And sobra namin kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And
We are delighted to have you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray! Or C, Regine Velasquez.
A or B or C, Regine Velasquez.
Ako po ay...
Go, bebe. Laliman. Go, bebe. Laliman.
Okay, that's it for now.
Ay, nakatulog.
Pagkatapos po namin kaganapang ito, ay puspusan na po ulit ang aming pag-ensayo.
After our live stream today, after this, we're gonna continue our rigorous training. Spell rigorous.
Spell rigorous. Rigor! Ano po? May K po ba nakalagay? May K?
New
Oo nga.
Zealand. Hello.
Okay, next. Ito.
Bini. Ito na lang. Bini. Oh, Bini muna. And the neighbors. Bini.
1, 2, 3, go.
Tapos J.
J, Joanna.
Joanna.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, next.
Sa Weavers.
B. Paano?
Pag POV nila, W. Tama.
Tama.
Alam mo, M.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Tatlo yung kayo. Hindi yung isa.
It's our first date.
Oh, Igyo.
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 Pa-close up po kay Ate Aya.
Igyo.
Paano Igyo?
Ano ba yun?
Papakit lang.
Next, ending fairy. Hala, Egyo daw, Ate Colette.
May utang sa ing.
Okay, sabi na ni Aya. Sabi ng
Sabi niya Ate Aya,
Open the lid.
Okay, fun facts here, MJ Felipe is one of the
Best?
most sought journalists in the Philippines.
Yes,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
At si Joanna ang susunod sa yapak ni Sir MJ.
And Joanna is number 2.
2, 1!
As engines. The Seraphim din meron.
Me, I'm a twice stan. Once. I'm a once.
And I'm a blink.
Blink. And Bebe is?
person. She's a human.
She's a person. She's a Filipino.
She's a human.
She's a Filipino.
20M likes. Oh, thank you, Colette. Kasi nagda-like nila eh.
Again, we are Bini.
Birthday?
First day.
First
First day.
First day namin.
Yun yung sasabihin mo for the slave. Hi, I'm Kalim. I'm auditioning for kung ano yun.
Yung white, yung tama.
Yung white yung tama. Comic relief officer.
Oh my gosh.
Harajuku girl?
Okay ako dito.
Sa ano?
Nerdy Finance.
Japan. Yung sobrang...
Ako CEO.
Sobrang cute. Ah? Ano sa'yo, bebe? Oh, grunge girl. Hi! Para na. Ano yan? Yung taga-Japan. Ay, yung damit. Yes.
So parang front desk sa club.
Si Mix.
Ano, gusto mo grunge?
Ano ba yung grunge? Si Gwen, ano?
Yung ano, emo. Okay.
Okay. Ay, so sa'yo? Money? Ay,
Sporty siya si Taya. Ano ba yung sa'yo?
Emily in Paris.
Oh, ikaw na yan.
Wow! Ay, mga blooms lang yan. Mga blooms lang yan eh. Parang, wow, you're so good. Where are you from? Ganda niyo po.
Parang members
Weavers lang. Sino members ba kayo ng Weavers before?
Si itong dalawa.
Kayo na nagla-live, grabe na kayo!
You want?
Can we eat?
I know you're watching. This is me, your future.
Your future collaborator.
Sabi Aya nakasubscribe din sa Weavers. Kay Lining Ho. May mangga, Jo? Cannibalism again?
Hatiin niyo na yung cake. Sa pusong hatiin, no? Ang ganda.
Masarap.
Makes you want seaweed.
She can't. You need to blend it. Hindi, nguyain mo muna. Nakain po dito. Ano? Sarah?
Aeroplane.
What do you want, Mix?
Smoothie si Mix. Oh, meron ka? You want? Oh, you can't face reveal. Mukbang ba to? Oh, magmumukbang kami.
Pwede daw ba pa Zoom?
No.
No.
6, 7.
Oh, we have.
Hello, friend.
Face reveal muna! Four wisdom teeth are impacted, are extracted, impacted,
and distracted.
and distracted, and manipulated.
Isaw means you're beautiful. Isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eye, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw is the intestine of Joanna.
And show your coffee, Bebe. Ay, Bebe.
Bebe. Rico.
Bebe! You want?
Can we eat?
I know you're watching. May mangga, Jo? Cannibalism again? Sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And we are delighted to have you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray! Ako po ay...
Bebe, laliman.
Okay, that's 20M likes. Oh, thank you, Colette.
Nagkikis.
Parang mahina nakit ka sa akin, Bebe. Sa amin yan.
Kayong dalawa lang, may Bebe wala. Kayong dalawa lang, may Bebe wala. Ano tayo? Isang kaya tayo nag- Yan lang.
Happy birthday, Weavers! Birthday ng Weavers? Happy birthday, Beyond Weavers! 20M likes. Oh, thank you, Colette. Colette kasi nagda-like niya eh. Thank you pala sa Manggate Aya. Nagbigay siya ng sobrang daming mangga kagabi.
Yes.
Ay, yung kagabi na nasa video.
Credits to Ate Aya. Sa kanya pala yung
Nakita ko na nasa van kasi ako tapos may sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga mangga.
Ah,
Tapos may picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang. Nakonsensya lang. Binili ko lahat.
2, 3, mabuhay!
Hi, Anika.
Hi, I'm Paulette.
I'm Maloy. I'm Stacy. I'm Joanna.
I'm Aya.
Hi, I'm Sheena.
I'm Gwen. And we are Beanie! And what is Beanie? Beanie stands is for a girl group. Anak.
Let's kanta tayo.
Okay. Happy birthday. Happy
Blow it, Ate Jo.
Let's all blow it. Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers. Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers. Wait, make a wish.
It is a fact that Nika has her 4 wisdom tooth extracted.
What do you
Four wisdom teeth are impacted, extracted,
and distracted.
and manipulated. What does that mean? And I feel like that's the beauty of member girl group. We have one that is exalted.
Sushi. Okay, so guys, Isaw. The spelling of Isaw is I-S-A-W. So it means Isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eye, I saw the sign. Spaghetti. With sauce.
We have Korean comments.
Wow! Ay, mga blooms lang yan. Mga blooms lang yan eh. Parang, wow, you're so good. Where are you from?
Can
we eat?
I know you're
Dati ayaw nakasubscribe na sa Tara, kain po dito.
Ano?
Sa kanya pa rin nakita ko na nasa van ko siya may sa labas. William? May naghawak ng mga may picture ni Lord yung kasi. Binibigula maga.
I'm eating na guys, I'm eating gulay na. My favorite gulay is lettuce.
Kanina ko siya. Support an achievement. Di ba ang laki ko in-order yung salad? Lahat natira yung gulay. Naubos yung karne. Naubos yung steak na kasama yung gulay na ito.
Whatever. I'm okay.
Welcome daw, Bini Mika. Thank you daw po.
Feeling ko may mga tatlong
Mahal kita.
and sobra namin kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And we are delighted to have you here.
Just choose A or B. Or C. Regine Velasquez.
Rigor! Igyo! Pa-close up po kay Ate Aya.
Alden Post.
Okay, Alden po.
Go, bebe!
May utang sa inyo.
Okay, tingnan natin sa Ate Aya.
Sabi ng
Sabi niya Ate Aya.
Sabi ni Ate Aya.
Open the lid. Nagalag.
Wait, naglalag. 18 million hearts.
Wow, grabe. Guys, ulit yung pinili.
Ate Aya, limin ko.
Ate Aya, ringin mo.
Si Mix, ano siya? Si X.
Uy, Jisoo to!
20M likes. Oh, thank you, Colette.
Again, we are Beanie Chelsea. Thank you. See you next time.
Joanna po.
Hindi, yun yung first and last.
Thank you.
You want?
Try to speak some Korean words. Please bear with us because we're not Koreans, but we're gonna try our best. 안녕하세요. Let's say 안녕하세요, guys.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
We are Beanie.
Okay. 감사합니다. 감사합니다, Blooms.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
사랑해.
Di ba magaling ka, di ba fluent ka mag-Korean?
Mojang share kaludoyo.
Wow.
Can I please go to the CR?
Ano daw?
Sabi ko na nga.
Finish it first.
What will I finish?
Try to speak some Korean words. Please bear with us because we're not
Correct. Ika naman.
Eto naman, walang pasok, so may rest day ka. Perfect!
Yeah.
Perfect! Ay, saktong-sak. Need niya magpa-
Eto, si Aya. Eto, pera! Ganon!